Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.08. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 814.99% since we first identified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 49 days ago. This translates to an average return of 16.63% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential change of 122.23% over the next 3 months, with possible returns that could range from a decrease of 0.99% to an increase of 237%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 14.15% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between a decrease of 84.34% and an increase of 70.24%. This translates to a price range of $1.17 to $12.72 after a year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Significant Movements in Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price on Thursday, moving 50.81% between high and low. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by 30.12% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, dropping from $10.69 to $7.47. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 50.81%, ranging from a low of $6.75 to a high of $10.18. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 134.91% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indication, as volume should align with the stock's performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 104 million shares, with a total of 170 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.27 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $12.75, while the lowest was $0.66. Currently, the price is 41.41%, or $5.28, below the 52-week high of $12.75, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, traded under the ticker RGTI, has experienced a remarkable surge in its stock price, soaring over 700% in the last month. This dramatic increase is linked to a growing interest in the quantum computing sector, driven by engagement from both commercial and government entities. Rigetti's expanding clientele underscores its increasing influence within this dynamic market. Recent industry advancements, particularly in quantum technology, led by significant players like Alphabet with its latest quantum chip, have further sparked investor enthusiasm. Short-term gains from such speculative trades are often accompanied by FOMO, or the fear of missing out, which can lead to heightened volatility and, at times, sudden corrections. However, the long-term outlook for RGTI remains strong, given the rising integration of quantum computing into various applications. As RGTI gains visibility and traction, the attention from both retail and institutional investors could positively impact trading volumes and stock valuations. While speculative in nature, Rigetti's innovations may position the company to take advantage of this next technological frontier. Investors should closely monitor RGTI's performance as it navigates this rapidly evolving landscape, which could yield substantial returns in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing, Inc. or stock currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term moving average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, we observe a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $8.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $3.43. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, indicates a buy signal. Despite this, some negative signals have emerged that may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, indicating a decline of 32.88% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. It is worth mentioning that trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot suggested a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 46 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 47 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, characterized by volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.43 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 50.81%. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 35.69%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors that are beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio could suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of March in the year 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $8.43. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a pertinent level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $7.38. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Johnson Rayot conducted an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Rayot also conducted an insider sale of 98,373 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 10th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. sold 125,000 shares of common stock. Just a day prior, on the 9th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. also sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. made another sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 2.518. In total, insiders acquired 7,940,549 shares and sold 4,456,636 shares in these last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is established at $7.04, reflecting a decrease of 5.70%. This stock exhibits substantial daily fluctuations, contributing to a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that we may be witnessing a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of December, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open at 66.3 cents and begin trading at $8.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.